paths we went once before. Now they all fall to empty memory bank. The familiar way said, gone away from here, covered in white snow. I still hear your laughter linger all over this place. We spend our lives together, will answer me. For sure, while I went away on business trip, it almost broke my heart being away from you for 2 weeks. But you understand, you took my hand, you lead the way, but silence speaks, the past remains in us. I remember you, I see your face, first thing I wake till I dream of you. Every night I swear to you, but the stream is fading from me. Will you stay around for a little while for me? Will it be too hard? So I will stay back like you wanna take control of us. So then all your pain go